Good morning. I'm a little shaky because my children are in the room, so I'm a little impressed. Dear Excellencies, dear Ministers, ladies and gentlemen, dear planet workers, dear friends, Eric and I are extremely honored to welcome you to the 10th edition of the Global Conference here in Domaine de Chantilly, which is held under the high patronage of Mr. François Hollande, President of the French Republic, in partnership with the Aga Khan Foundation and the Domaine de Chantilly. 10 editions. So many things have happened since then, since the Planet Workshops created the Global Conference. The world has gone through many changes, some turmoil since then. We're still struggling against the echoes of the financial crisis and the impacts of Fukushima and other catastrophes. New models of society are timidly or sometimes violently emerging everywhere. Greece, Spain, other countries around the world are questioning the pillars our societies are built on. Time has definitely come for an old world to listen to a new generation of ideas, of propositions, and yes, sometimes solutions. Some will work, some won't, but human dignity forces us to keep on trying. During these 3 days of the Global Conference, you will meet and exchange with people who tried and succeeded to move the lines. Humans, because that's what they are, who believe that the world should definitely take a different path, more sustainable, more respectful of man and its environment. Some of them, the Planet Workshops, would especially express their recognition. It's the people who dedicated over the past 9 years their time, their energy, their experience. I'm talking about the members over the past 9 years, the members of the steering committee. And I would like to name them one by one, because we're really thankful to them. So I would like to name them, and I'm sure after that we will give them a big round of applause. I'm talking about Alice Audouin, I'm talking about Jérôme Auriac, Sonia Barry, Bénédicte Barbry, Robert Bell, Gilles Béraud, Jérôme Bindet, Alexandre Brailovsky, François Cambon, Sophie Chambon, Myriam Cohen-Welgreen, Marine de Basler, Dominique de Courcelles, Marie-Annick Darmaillac, Blaise Duhaut, Bénédicte Fèvre-Tavignot, Paul Gignès, Bernard Giraud, Pierre-Samuel Gage, Françoise Guichard. All right. Guylaine Hierceau, Thierry Homel, Jean-Charles Ourcade, Nicolas Imbert, Jean-Louis Jourdan, Hugues de Jouvenel, Sylvain Lambert, Luc Lamprière, Bettina Laville, Thierry Strand-Lecomte, Hervé Letreut, François Letourneux, Jean-Daniel Lévy, Alexandre Licotal, Guillaume Loger, André Malch, Valérie Martin, Denis Muset, Serge Auru, Michel Papalardo, Marc Piévic, Yann Kehenec, Didier Sapot, Patricia Savin, Elisabeth Thompson, Anada Thiega, Laurence Tubiana, Sylviane Villaudière, Patrick Vivray. Some of them are in the room. I would like to give them a big round of applause, please, because without them, the Planet Workshops would not exist. Also, the Planet Workshops would not exist without our financial partners. The Global Conference would not exist without our financial partners, and I would also to thank them. and name them one by one, because all this is possible thanks to our financial supporters. I'm talking about Atos, Bolloré, Groupe Clarins, Engie, Domaine de Chantilly, EcoAct, ESA, PAI Partners, and Suez Environnement. Thank you. I was speaking about impact earlier. I just want to mention that in order to minimize our impact on climate, the Planet Workshops called on EcoAct, it's a climate specialist, to do the bilan carbone and the carbon offsetting of this 10th edition of the Global Conference. This 10 editions is rich in ideas and contents. In addition to many sessions, you will have photo exhibition of Green Cross, Pure Projet. You will have great personalities signing their books, Lisa Lovett-Smith, Christian de Pertuis. You'll have big testimonies from people who move the lines, who try their best. I'm talking about Christian Courtin-Clarins, about Gérard Mestrallet, about Lisa Lovett-Smith again. Unfortunately, Amaury Lovins, who was supposed to come, could not make it to the global conference, but we have a video conference with him tonight for about 45 minutes. We'll be able to exchange with the alternative Nobel Prize of '83, Amaury Lovins, right live from the Rocky Mountain Institute. You know that the African continent has already been extremely special at the Planet Workshops because we're convinced that Africa is a continent where, how can I say it, needs to be help. Needs to be help. Great ideas are emerging from Africa. Good morning, Mr. Zazou. And please don't miss the presentation of the Land of African Business on Wednesday, which is our initiative for the COP21. Okay, I'm going to make it short. Politics, economics, social issues. We all think, we all work, we all try to do things better, but we all need a little more what we call at the Planet Workshops natural sense. And I would like to welcome Chief Tsaméné Krankan, who will maybe enlighten us with a little natural sense for a few minutes and give a good spirit for these next 3 days. I thank you very much. Thank you.
Great. Hi, everybody. Good morning. Buenos días. Wachia. Yakova. Diana Muhu Pematsiwin. Daki Nano Wintinan. Eshimeno Seaka Kinagegun. Capito Eni Chinano Kinano. Chinano Koyanto. Chinano Koptana Nanistitinama Koyanti. Chinano Koyesinato Yamatsiwin or the Agamitakamanana. The way Sismanana Kushitsuno. Chawabataman. Je dis tout simplement que je suis très heureux d'être ici. Je fais partie dans les peuples algonquins du Canada, des peuples nomades qui vivent régulièrement en travers des rivières et des lacs, en travers des arbres, en travers des animaux. Et je suis très fier que ma coucoume soit avec moi, puisqu'on parle de la terre-maman. Ça n'est une, la terre-maman, féminin. Chez nous, on utilise plein de plantes. Et nous sommes, je crois, aujourd'hui, le 6 juillet 2015, et c'est le moment d'en parler, la réconciliation. De se réconcilier entre nous, de se réconcilier à la terre maman. celle qui m'autorise tous les jours à marcher sur elle. Et aujourd'hui, c'est un petit peu différent chez moi. Avant, on buvait de l'eau directement à la petite rivière qui coule. Maintenant, aujourd'hui, il y a du danger. Mes arbres, ils ont du danger. Mes oiseaux, ils ont du danger. Mes poissons, ils ont du danger. Et tous nos autres, chacun de nous, il y a de la place encore sur la terre. Il y a encore du verre sur la terre. L'espoir que vous avez organisé aujourd'hui, je crois qu'on ne pourra jamais oublier ça. Je vous amène tous au Canada avec moi, par l'Esprit, qu'on puisse continuer à travailler ensemble, à vivre ensemble. Je voudrais remercier le peuple jaune, les Asiatiques, le peuple rouge, les Autochtones, et aussi le peuple noir. Je voudrais remercier ces gens-là aussi, et les peuples blancs. Nous vivons depuis longtemps dans la même planète. Nous marchons chaque sentier. L'odeur des plantes vivantes. Et maintenant, ils ne sont plus là. On est tous dans la même idée de sauver notre terre maman. Elle souffle et nous souffrons aussi. Si on s'engage dans cette direction, il faut toujours commencer par soi-même, d'avoir une vision claire pour nos futures générations. Les futures générations nous entendent. Et si on peut donner la chance aux femmes et aux enfants d'aller boire dans un petit ruisseau qui coule, qui vient de la montagne, si on peut offrir ça maintenant, à partir d'aujourd'hui, et qu'on puisse arrêter de boire dans une bouteille de plastique. J'ai mis mes mocassins ce matin. Et mes mocassins, pour moi, c'est important de marcher, suivre les traces de mes ancêtres. Et merci aussi à mes ancêtres. Je voudrais remercier aussi à toutes les femmes ici. Merci d'être là, les femmes. Parce que vous aussi, vous participez la terre. C'est vous qui vous tenez la terre. Nous, les hommes, on est des protecteurs. Allons-y, tous ensemble, d'aller devant pour nos futures générations. Miigwech, nakabudan.